Welcome to our channel one more time. Today we're going to do a very special craft. These cute stuffed animals. Since we will have to sew, this activity must be done with an adult. Look at how cool they are. Don't miss how easy it is to make them. Today we make stuffed animals. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Oh, Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon are playing with their stuffed animals. Guys, do you remember when you didn't have them yet? It was so boring, right? All day watching TV. Let's show everybody how easy it was to make them. We need scissors, a light color Sharpie, needle and thread, stuffing for toys, fabric, and these templates that we prepared. We will leave them in the description below. We will start with Gato Rainbow Sardine. We're going to cut the template using the first line and then trace it on the pink fabric. Front and back. Then cut through the second line and trace again. Cut the two pieces and put them together like this. Now we just have to sew using the second line as a guide. We will leave a hole to turn the fabric over and put the stuffing inside. Now, sew the hole that we left. And with fabric or acrylic paint, paint the details. That's it! Now let's make the strawberry. As we did before, cut through the first line. Since this one has the top part, we will trace this side without the template, as I'm doing here. Front and back. Cut through the second line and trace again. Put the two parts together and sew. We will leave the upper part open, because we will cover it later with leaves. For the leaves, you can use a template as I'm doing here. We will only use the outer line. Trace it, and without raising the template from the fabric, trace again. Sew. Fill. And close. Sew one part to the other one. And paint the mouth and the eyes with fabric or acrylic paint. And there you have it! Let's make the octopus. You know how this goes. Trace front and back. Cut the template again. Trace. Cut. Sew. Turn over. Fill. And close. Paint the eyes. And it's ready! And finally, let's make Gata Moon's star. No need to explain the steps anymore, right? You must be an expert by now. Look at these stuffed animals! The little ones will love them. You can actually make them in any size, shape or color. See you next week! Psst, subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you!